Are you ready to discover the keys to financial independence and prosperity? Then watch this video to the end and you will learn how to accumulate, save and increase your money. The little rabbit lives in the forest with his family. One day, he noticed that his parents often use a credit card to make purchases. Rabbit decided to ask them what the card is and how to use it. Rabbit's mom explains to him that a credit card is a way to borrow money. The card allows you to buy what you need, even if you do not have money for it now. However, if you do not repay the debt on time, you can fall into a debt hole. And this is very bad. Rabbit decided to learn how to use a credit card without risk. Rabbit's mom explains to him that a credit card has a limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. It is necessary to know your limit and not exceed it in order to avoid high interest on delinquency. The rabbit also learns that it is necessary to pay off debts on time in order to avoid penalty interest. The rabbit's mom explains to him that a credit card has a certain period during which you can pay off the debt without interest. If you don't pay off your debt within this period, interest will begin to occur. Rabbit will learn about different uses for a credit card. He learns that a credit card can be used to buy food, clothes, toys, and even pay for transportation. The rabbit's mother explains to him that you need to spend money wisely and not borrow more than you can repay. The rabbit understands that a credit card has a good side. This is that you can borrow money and pay off this debt in a limited period of time. You didn't give them back on time. Then you will fall into a debt hole and give back much more money than you took. And this is a huge risk. The rabbit's mom tells him that using credit cards without risk is possible if you know your limit, pay off your debt on time, and spend money wisely. Rabbit understands that proper use of a credit card can help him get what he needs, but only if he uses it wisely and takes into account all the risks. Having weighed the pros and cons using a credit card, the little rabbit decided not to get a credit card for the time being. But first, he will learn how to save money, so that he can spend his money later. Just avoid falling into a debt hole. As long as you spend your money, you are completely safe. Don't forget this.